Number 10, it says Oceanside Graphics paid its employees total wages of $34,000 during the second quarter of the year. No employee's salary during the current year has exceeded the wage ceiling, so we don't have to worry about that. Assuming that the federal unemployment tax rate is 0.06% and the state unemployment tax rate is 5.4%, calculate the following. So the federal unemployment tax rate is 0.06%. So as a decimal, we move our decimal back 2 places, we get 0.006 times our $34,000. And so if I grab my calculator, which I hit again, always setting that down somewhere, 0.006 times 34,000, we get $204. The state unemployment tax is 5.4%, and so we're going to just use 5.4%, so 0.054, again, we move our decimal 2 places, times that $34,000, and so 0.054 times 34,000 gives us $1,836. And you're just going to calculate those 2 things based on the percent that you have. So if we look at number 11 and 12, number 11, Performance Realty paid its employees total wages of $27,000 during the fourth quarter of the year. No employee's salary during the current year has exceeded the wage ceiling for unemployment taxes. Assuming that the federal unemployment tax again is 0.6% and the state unemployment tax is 5.4%, calculate the following. So the federal unemployment, we use 0.006 times our $27,000. So 0.006 times 27,000 gives us $162. And then 5.4%, so 0.054 times that $27,000 for our state unemployment tax, 0.054 times 27, 123, is 1,458. So for this person, the federal unemployment tax was $162, the state unemployment tax $1,458. Number 12, same kind of thing. We want to calculate the federal unemployment tax. Same rates, 0.06% would be 0.006 times the earning, $38,000. So 0.006 times 38,000, $228. And then the state unemployment, 5.4%, so 0.054 times that 38,000, $2,052. So basically you're just going to use the percent they have listed and multiply it out. So number 13, we're combining all the different taxes we've worked with so far, or at least some of the different taxes we worked with so far. As an accountant for Stonewall Development Corporation, Frank Wood earns $2,731 a month. Frank is single and claims 4 withholding allowances. Assume that all wages are subject to Social Security tax and the tax rate for Social Security is 6.2%. The tax rate for Medicare is 1.45%. And then use the federal income tax withholding table to work the problem. So Social Security, we earn $2,731. It's 6.2%, so we use 0.062. Again, I put my calculator down. And so 2,731 times 0.062 is $169.32. Again, we have to round that off. It's 322, so we round it off to 32 cents. For Medicare, we're using 1.45%, so we're going to take our $2,731 times 0.0145. So 2,731 times 0.0145 gives me $39, and I've got to round it up to 60 cents. $39.60. We have 0.599, so we got to round 59 up to 60. Federal income tax withholding, we're using that table. So we have to keep in mind $2,731 for withholdings. So if we bring up our table, $2,741, I believe it was, and whoops, it's still got my writing over there, that's okay. $2,741 would be here for exemptions. So right here on my table, it says $194. Cross from that amount, down from the number of withholdings, $194. So if I go back over here to day 16, $194, it conveniently left my number so I didn't have to rewrite everything. So my net pay, to find my net pay, I'm going to take my $2,731 earnings. I'm going to subtract my $169.32, subtract my $39.60, and subtract my $194 to end up with my net pay. So $2,731 minus $169.32 minus $39.60 minus $194 gives me $2,328.08 for my net pay.